The universe did not reveal itself with a thunderclap, but with a quiet refusal to make sense. In the winter of 1609, in a cold room in Prague, candlelight trembled over stacks of numbers that refused to align. Night after night, the heavens had been measured with ruthless precision, yet the planets would not behave. Their paths wobbled, drifted, disobeyed, and one man was slowly unraveling because of it. Johannes Kepler was not chasing beauty, he was chasing truth. His hands were ink-stained, his eyes red from exhaustion, his mind caught between faith and frustration. For years, astronomers had believed the cosmos moved in perfect circles, divine, flawless, unquestionable, but the data said otherwise. And data, Kepler believed, did not lie. Outside his window, snow hushed the city. Inside, numbers argued back. Each calculation brought him closer to an impossible conclusion. The planets were not tracing circles at all. They were stretched, distorted, uneven. The heavens, the very architecture of creation, were imperfect. That realization was terrifying. If the universe wasn't built on perfect shapes, then what was it built on? Kepler pushed deeper. He reworked equations again and again, discarding centuries of belief with every correction. Mars, stubborn and erratic, became his tormentor. No matter how he forced the numbers, Mars refused to fit the old models. Something fundamental had to change. Then came the break. Not a sudden revelation, but a quiet alignment. The numbers fell into place only when Kepler allowed the orbit to bend, not a circle, an ellipse. In that moment, astronomy crossed a threshold. The planets were no longer guided by mystical harmony alone. They followed rules, precise, mathematical, universal. Motion could be described, predicted, proven. The sky had become a system. Kepler's laws did more than explain planetary paths. They transformed the cosmos into something readable, something calculable. For the first time, the universe spoke in numbers, and humanity learned how to listen. But the victory came at a cost. Kepler knew what he had done. He had challenged perfection itself. He had traded divine symmetry for mathematical truth. And yet, in doing so, he revealed something far more profound. The universe was not less beautiful because it was as imperfect. It was more honest. From that cold room in Prague, a new way of knowing was born. One that would lead to gravity, to spaceflight, to humanity stepping beyond Earth itself. The stars had always moved, but in 1609, we finally understood how. If this story sparked your curiosity, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what moment in science changed the way you see the universe.